If you're seeing Steam error 54, that usually means Steam is having a connection issue, and in many cases it happens when the servers are busy or something on your client is getting stuck. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest fixes step by step so you can get back into Steam without guessing, and if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is restart the Steam client completely. Sometimes error 54 is caused by a stuck sync request or a temporary connection hiccup, and a full restart can clear that out. To do this, click Steam at the top left, choose Exit, and make sure Steam is fully closed. You can also check your system tray if needed to confirm it's not still running in the background. Then reopen Steam and try again. This is one of the fastest fixes, so it's always worth trying first. If you still see the error, the next thing to consider is Steam server maintenance. Valve often does maintenance on Tuesdays, usually around 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. If you're trying to use Steam during that window, the issue may not be on your end at all. In that case, the best fix is simply to wait about an hour and try again later. Sometimes the problem clears up on its own once the servers finish maintenance or traffic drops. Now, if the error happens when you're trying to launch a game, Steam Cloud Sync may be the cause. Cloud Sync is useful, but if it gets stuck, it can trigger connection errors like this. To test that, go to your Steam library and right-click the game that's giving you trouble. Select Properties, then open the General tab. Look for the option that says Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud and turn it off. After that, close the window and launch the game again. Disabling Cloud Sync can often get the game running normally when the sync process itself is what's causing the error. If that still doesn't fix it, the next step is to repair your Steam library folders. Corrupted file manifests or library data can interfere with Steam's ability to communicate properly. To do this, go to Steam, then open Settings, then Storage. Find the three dots next to the drive where your Steam library is installed. Click those dots and choose Repair Folder. Let Steam complete the repair process, then restart the client and test your game or download again. This can resolve deeper library issues that a simple restart won't touch. Another helpful fix is clearing Steam's web browser data. Steam has an internal browser, and if that data gets clogged or outdated, it can sometimes cause sync-related errors. To clear it, go to Steam, open Settings, then click Interface. From there, look for Delete Web Browser Data. Click it, then confirm the action. Once that's done, restart Steam and check if error 54 is gone. This is especially useful if Steam has been behaving strangely, loading slowly, or having trouble connecting in general. So to quickly recap, the best ways to fix Steam error 54 are to restart Steam, wait out any server maintenance, disable Steam Cloud Sync for the affected game, repair your library folders, and clear Steam's web browser data. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem right away. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Steam troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.